Welcome to tutorial on Yeeflow approval forms. In this video, we'll explore the powerful lookup field control and how to use it in your approval forms to streamline data selection. The lookup field control in Yeeflow serves as a data picker, allowing users to select data from various sources like data lists, document libraries, form reports, or data reports. For instance, you can use it to let users pick a customer from a data list named Customers in your approval form. To use the lookup field control, go to the Form Designer and find it under the Advanced Fields group in the Controls panel. Drag and drop it onto your form. In the Properties Settings panel, you can customize the title and associated variables for this control. Next, set the data source by selecting the application and choosing from the available data sources like data lists, document libraries, form reports, or data reports. You can also apply data filters to refine the displayed data. Now expand the Appearance group to configure the display field. This determines the value displayed as text when an item is selected. For example, if you select a customer from the Customers data list, you might choose the customer name as the display field. Additionally, the Additional Fields setting allows you to show more information when users open the Data Picker pop-up window. You can select fields like customer name, industry, business phone, and customer owner for this purpose. Let's preview how it works. Click the Preview button at the bottom of the left panel. You can select an item by typing the customer name in the text box, and the relevant items will appear in the pop-up list. Alternatively, click the Data Picker button to open a window showing all records from the selected data source in a data table. In certain scenarios, you might want to display more than just one field from the data source. That's where associated fields come in handy. To achieve this, add a single line control to your approval form. In the Properties Settings panel, you can customize the title and associated variables for this control. A quick tip: ensure that the data types of the variables on the approval form match those of the associated fields in the data source of the lookup field control for seamless data retrieval. Then, click the Lookup control. Find the desired field from the Additional Fields settings and associate it with the single line control. Repeat the process for other fields and variables on the form to save additional data. Let's preview again to see how it works. Now, when you select a customer from the lookup field control, the customer's industry and business phone are retrieved and saved to the related variables on the approval form. And that's a wrap on using the lookup field control in Yeeflow approval forms. This powerful feature allows you to enhance your approval processes by enabling users to make precise data selections effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more Yeeflow tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.